You can keep coming all the way down. So to your left there in the vegetables, we get some frozen Brussels sprouts in there. You can find them at Costco in big bags or in bulk if we have them. But there are some, if they have them today, they should. Sometimes for convenience, we'll just grab the frozen ones. It's better than not eating Brussels sprouts. But if we can grab the actual Brussels sprouts, we just do a ton of those. But I don't have a problem if you do frozen veggies, that's fine. Just know that the nutrient content is higher in fresh ones, of course. The frozen blueberries are on the other side. We talked about that. There's sauerkraut over here. Let's see. Is it sauerkraut right in front of you there? Yeah, kraut. So there's farmhouse culture at the top here. And when I first heard sauerkraut, I'm like, oh, no way. But there's a pickled flavored sauerkraut, and it's an extremely good probiotic. And if you like pickles, you'll probably like this. And you're getting a very, very nutritious food. Fermented food is great for your immune system. A lot of health benefits for it. So if you like pickles, that's a good option to have. It takes me several weeks to go through a bag of that because I don't eat a lot of it at a time, but it's got that crunch that a pickle has and the pickle flavor. It's like diced up pickles, basically. So that's a really good option to help boost your immune system and throw something different in. You got some more cheeses through here. There's a couple good ones. And then the egg section. So ideally, we always try to get organic eggs because what they're fed is really clean. But you can get natural, and there's probably a $2 to $3 difference between natural and organic because it just takes that much more to feed them a clean diet. But at least switch them over, get natural. If you can get bigger flats because you go through them faster, that's fine. But the ones we get are right here. This is what we're always picking up on. And I want to grab the almond milk that we always get as well. So go ahead. It doesn't bother me one bit. Are you worried about cholesterol or something or what? They did a study, I have to find it for you, but they did a study in Canada and they had people eat 50 eggs a day. And then they measured their cholesterol and guess what happened? Nothing. So, but make sure they're the right kind. Don't make sure they're not toxic. The main thing that's driving your cholesterol up is sugar. So sugar is going to be the huge culprit. Earth Fare brand?
Their brand.
Yeah.
Everything has to be natural, right?
Yeah, so we do so the Earth Fare brand has that standard that you're not getting a lot of the chemicals and hormones and stuff in it. So it's a more trusted brand. So I buy their natural ones. It looks like the organic ones are on sale for $3.99 today. That's actually a decent price for organic eggs. Yeah, and you got a couple levels, Organic Valley and such. This is the almond milk you'll typically find in the Living Good fridge. It's carrageenan free just to cut out one more toxin. I'd rather you go this way probably than regular milk on any type of almond, but this is the one that we have. And it takes us a while to go through that whole big bottle, but that's our carton of milk. So.
Do you ever drink creamer?
No, creamer. So like full, yes you can. This is unsweetened vanilla, sorry, we do the unsweetened. Wait, do you want vanilla or regular? Vanilla? Okay.
Thank you for
Yeah, you're good there.
helping me do my
Yes,
shopping.
exactly. Oh, there it is. Oh, gosh. You guys are going to like this. I do creamer, whole fat creamer in coffee is the only time I have milk anymore. Yep. And there's nothing wrong with that. Yep, because it's not having that spike on insulin levels. Milk it's very rough on the insulin. Spikes it quite a bit.
So no organic half and half.
Yes, organic half and half. That's what I'm talking about. Organic cream. Yep, half and half. That's the only thing I do.
So no low fat half and half.
No, when I'm over there, I pick that, what is it, purple? That's the one I pick. Yep. Yes. Woo! Sugar bomb. Sugar bomb. There's a reason that stuff tastes so good. One time a year I use that. I make my dad's homemade ice cream recipe and I have it at Christmas. That's it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that thing is like, I think in one can of that, there's like 144 grams of sugar. It's something insane. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's diabetes in a can. That's what that's called. Yes. Good. So yes, organic cream if we're going to use that. Sour cream, again, we try to go more natural, organic, same thing, which most of the brands they have are going to meet that criteria already. We do a little bit of sour cream like in the chili and stuff like that. We'll do that occasionally. And we can sneak around the corner. I'll show you the hummus and then kind of what I order maybe like at the smoothie bar or the juice bar and then any other popcorn questions and we'll finish up. Sound good?
What percent milk with the RBS-free organic
If you're going that direction, that's the kind to get. Yes. Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, try to go full fat if you can get it.
The whole,
Whole fat, yeah, in its natural form. Yep. How did it come out of the cow? That's how you want it.
the one that's found like it needs to, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
the
absolutely.
RBS.
If you're gonna have milk, at least have that. Yeah.
What about your butter?
Oh, butter. I think we missed it back. Is there some right there? There's maybe some right there. Is there, what do we got there? I'm not seeing the Kerrygold one. We get that quite a bit. Oh, there's a lot of good ones here. So yeah, again, it's a meat product, so I'm trying to get that organic. I usually try to do without the salt in it because I don't know what their source of salt is. Kerrygold is a common one that we have in our house. Green Valley Organic, that looks like a good one. That's lactose free, so there you go, lactose free one. Kerrygold is a grass-fed type. We have a lot of that at our house typically. There's quite a few good ones here, but I would probably go without the salt. But a good organic butter is really good healthy fat. We do that on that seeded bread in the morning. She'll toast it and you just use this, and it's like the bread starts to get like a little bit soft. You can't have bread. I shouldn't be talking about it. I put almond butter on mine if I ever have it. I don't have it too often, but it's a treat. It really is. Once you go no sugar and you add that back in, it's a treat. So your treats become different when you cut sugar out. All right, let's sneak around the corner.